Hello, students. Imagine this situation. In one company, there are two divisions. One division says, I will sell bottles only at market price. But the other division says, no, you are part of the same company, so you cannot charge any market price from us. And because of this, the company's general manager is confused about that what transfer price should be used. So today we are going to solve a very interesting transfer pricing question where we will see market price method, shared profit method, and we'll see which division will prefer which method. And trust me, this type of logic based question is very common in CMA final exams. So let's start. First, understand this situation. SV Limited manufactures a product, but the product packaged in glass bottles. Now imagine the situation. The company itself manufactures those bottle internally. So there are two division in the company. First is bottle manufacturing division and other is product manufacturing division. The product division uses bottle supplies by the bottle division. Now the question is simple. At what price should the bottle be transferred? That means we need to calculate here the transfer price. The general manager of the bottle manufacturing division has obtained the following quotation from the outside market for empty bottles. For 8 lakhs unit, the market price of the same is 14 lakhs rupees, and for 12 lakhs bottle, market price is 20 lakhs. A cost analysis of the bottle manufacturing division for the manufacture of empty bottles reveals the following production cost. They did a close study with the market to identify the production cost for the empty bottles. For 8 lakh units, cost for the same is 10 lakh 40,000, and for 12 lakhs unit, production cost will be 14 lakh 40,000. The production cost and sales value of the end product marked by the product manufacturing divisions are: as per the manufacturing division, the product cost and sales value will be as per the given below. For 8 lakhs unit, product cost is 64 lakh 80,000 and sale value is in a packed bottle 91 lakh 20,000. For 12 lakhs unit, cost will be 96 lakh 80,000 and sales value will be 1 crore 27 lakh 80,000. There has been considerable discussion at the corporate level as to use of proper price for transfer of empty bottles from the bottle manufacturing division to product manufacturing division. This interest is heightened because a significant portion of the divisional general manager's salary is in incentive bonus based. His salary is based on incentive bonus on the profit center result. As the corporate management accountant responsible for defining the proper transfer prices for the supply of empty bottles by the bottle manufacturing division to the product manufacturing division. Now you are required to show for the two levels of volume, one for 8 lakhs unit and other for 12 lakhs unit bottles, the profitability by using market price method and shared profit relative to the cost involved basis for the determination of transfer prices. In first method, we will calculate based on the market price. And in second method, we will calculate based on the shared market rates, where we have given the end product cost and sales value in the market. The profitability position should be furnished separately for the two divisions and the company as a whole. Under each method, discuss also the effect of these methods on the profitability of the two divisions. Let's start the solution. First, assume that the bottle division transfers bottle at market price. Now, let's calculate their profit. For 8 lakhs bottles, sales value is given in the question. Sales value in the outside market is 14 lakhs and manufacturing cost is 10 lakh 40,000. So profit for 8 lakhs unit is 3 lakh 60,000. For 12 lakhs unit, sales value for the same is 20 lakhs and manufacturing cost is 14 lakh 40,000. So overall profit from 12,000 unit will be 5 lakh 60,000. Now we will see for product manufacturing division. For 8 lakhs unit, sales value are given in the question, 91 lakh 20,000. Transfer price. Here we have taken the market price for 8 lakhs unit in bottle division. So this will be the transfer price for manufacturing product. So transfer price for 8 lakhs unit will be 14 lakhs and variable cost, product cost has given in question 64 lakh 80,000. Now product for manufacturing division for 8 lakh unit is 12 lakh 40,000. For 12 lakhs unit, sales value is 1 crore 27 lakh 80,000 less transfer price. So 20 lakhs is the transfer price and variable cost for 12 lakhs unit is 96 lakh 80,000. So overall profit for 12 lakhs unit will be 11 lakh. Now we will calculate overall profit for both the division from division A and division B. So total profit will be 16 lakhs and 16 lakh 60,000. And transfer price per bottle based on the market prices 1.75 and 1.67 per bottle. Next, coming to the second part. In this statement showing computation of transfer price on the basis of profit shared on cost basis. Here we will calculate based on the shared on cost basis. Now manufacturing cost of bottle division is given in the question 10 lakh 40,000 and for 12 lakhs quantity it is 14 lakh 40,000. Manufacturing cost of end product is respectively 64 lakh 80,000 and 96 lakh 80,000. In question we can see the costs are given as per the respective units. Now we will calculate the total cost. Total cost is 75 lakh 20,000 and 1 crore 11 lakh 20,000. Now we will subtract from the sales part. Sales part also given in the question 91 lakhs 20,000 and 1 crore 27 lakh 80,000. So overall profit will be 16 lakhs and 16 lakh 60,000. Now we will distribute the profit ratio based on the ratio of cost. Now production cost. So product manufacturing division cost will be 13 lakhs 78,724. How it is arrived? So our total profit is 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs divided by 75 lakhs 20,000 into 10 lakh 40,000. In the same manner we will calculate for 12 lakhs unit. For same bottle manufacturing division, profit will be 2,21,276 and 2,14,964. How it is arrived? Our profit is 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs divided by 75 lakh 20 into 10 lakh 40. In the same manner, we will calculate the cost for the manufacturing. Here we will multiply with the 64 lakh 80,000. Okay. Now, transfer price for bottle manufacturing division. Cost of empty bottle manufacturing is 10 lakh 40,000 and 14 lakh 40,000. And share in profit, here we calculated 2,21,276 and 2,14,964. So total transfer price is 12,61,276 and 16,54,964. So transfer price per bottle is 1.577 and 2.069. How it is arrived? Total transfer price is 12,61,276 and output is 8 lakhs unit. Similarly, we will calculate for 12 lakhs unit. Now, in third part, we will compare the profit between the bottle division and product manufacturing division. Here we can see in bottle division, market price for 8 lakhs unit is 3 lakh 60 and for 12 lakhs unit is 5 lakh 60. And shared profit, here we already calculated for a bottle division 2,21,276 and for 12 lakhs unit 2,14,964. Similarly, we will put here for product manufacturing division. Market price 12 lakhs 40,000 and for 12 lakh units 11 lakh. And shared profit is 13 lakhs 78,723 and 14 lakhs 45,036. So now comes the exam logic. Bottle division comes the market price method because their profit is higher in market price method. If we see market price method, in that profit of bottle division is extra, but if we see in the angle of product manufacturing division, profit is more in shared profit method, but because their profit increases. So very important concept for exam is total company profit remain the same under both method, because transfer pricing only shifts profit between divisions. It doesn't change overall company profit. If we see the overall method, in first method, that means market price method, we compare the profits between two division. Bottle division profit is higher. Here it is 12,40,000, but in second method, if we see, profit shared cost basis method, here manufacturing division profit is higher than the bottle division. So the final remarks is bottle division will prefer market price method, whereas manufacturing division shared profit in relation to cost involved in respective departments. Overall profit of the company remains the same under both alternatives. So this was a very interesting transfer price question. If you understood this concept clearly, do hit the like button. Thank you and see you in next class.